I welcome all the Mexican delegates who are here in our campus. They just arrived in the morning. So now they have interacted with our Vice Chancellor. They have visited our library. And after that, they came here. I welcome all of you in this our Ready studio. This our Ready studio was started 3 years back with the intention that if some professor is there, he can interact with most of the students in Delhi. So there are 52 classrooms. All over Delhi, there are 52 classrooms.
Okay.
And one this studio. And professor will be here. And any student from that classroom can interact with the professor and his queries will be satisfied. So I welcome all the delegates, and we have Dr. Alex, who is a philosopher, and he also works for the what will be the future trends. Now I will request him that he should introduce all his members.
Sure. We are proud to be here in India, visiting your campus of this very important university. And I'm glad to introduce Mr. Roberto Enriquez from the southern state of Oaxaca, Mr. Copresi from the northern city of Tijuana, and Adriana from Mexico City, and Gary from the state of Puebla. She's Rosy also, she's Maru's wife from Cancun.
So this delegate is visiting India just to know how India is, and I think they have here for 10 days.
Yeah, for 10 days.
For 10 days they are here.
We are touring all the main cities.
So I request Dr. Alex just to tell us what is their objective to visit India.
Well, India is the country of the future. We know in Mexico about this new economic success of India, and we choose to come to investigate, to know what is happening in India, what is the trigger of this progress, what is the impact of the education in all the economy, and besides the culture, the religion, the spirituality. We are making this tour to feel, to understand the roots of your success, because we think that India is a very important example for Mexico. Our Nobel Prize in Mexico, Octavio Paz, lived here for 10 years before winning the Nobel Prize, and as an ambassador from Mexico. And he once told that India was the most important country to understand Mexico. He established the relation between our two countries, and we now know that he was right, because India has very important lessons for the Mexico future. That's why we are here.
So just now you have visited this university, you have interacted our Vice Chancellor, you visited library. What is your idea about this university? First of all, I tell you, this is our, earlier this was the Delhi College of Engineering. This was we were affiliated with Delhi University.
Yes.
3 years back we became the Delhi Technical University. Our university is one of the 71-year-old, and its ranking is about 6th, 7th, just parallel to the IITs.
Well,
yeah.
We are impressed about this university because now we know that this university was the trigger, or the very important cause for to produce the brightest minds in India. We know that this university is really important, and that the brightest minds came from here.
Yeah. So I request if anybody of you can tell something, if you want to say something, you can say. Yeah, please.
We would like to be the union in between the both countries, Mexico and India. We would like you, the students here in this university, go to our country and to have a cultural, technical, and an important experience, and also would like to bring Mexican students to this university, that we will be sure to have they will have a very good experience also here, and to learn a lot from you, from this important university.
Yeah. So we have collaboration with many universities for abroad. So US, Japan, Australia, and we can do some collaboration with some Mexican universities also. Till now we do not have any collaboration. So in future we can go for some collaboration, so that there should be student exchange, there should be faculty exchange, and cultural exchange they should have.
Yes, maybe the fruit of this meeting will be this interchange from 3 different universities all across Mexico. Will send some students, and they will receive Indian students in Mexico. So we're starting, this is a very happy day, because we're starting this interchange as a fruit of this meeting.
Yes. Well, that's very interesting. My name is Baruch, and I am really happy to have the opportunity to stay here in your country. We have here about India. Alex told us about, but it's not the same when we here to stay, to come here and to live really this experience. We owe to India, because the knowledge that you have exported to the world has helped us. And in Mexico, we have a very entrepreneur person from India, Mr. Metal. Mr.
Indian.
Yeah, it's the steel really, and the knowledge that you have provided to the world. So we thank you very much. Thank you for everything what you are doing. It's inspiration. I think the people from Mexico, the economy of Mexico, like the India, is about the same, except that you are. I was telling to Alex this morning, which is the reason why now the economy is growing up. Well, and this really is the answer was the education, everything what you are doing for the young people. So thank you very much. Thank you for everything. Thank you for this welcoming. And we are so happy for everything what you have done.
So I just thank all of you for sparing time and visiting our university and our this studio. Once again, thanks. And anytime, whenever you come India, you are most welcome in our country, in our university. We will be happy to welcome you once again.
Thank you very much. And we are your new friends in Mexico, and we expect you in our country. Thank you very much for this invitation.
Thank you.